With Tian and Hastings back from India, we had just a few days to settle on the content for the participatory videos. We met again with the extension officers for the Luntipi EPA to talk about a nutrition training session one of them was holding in Diampui. If there were training sessions happening, we thought it would be good to see what sort of things the farmers were actually studying.
And our approach basically is to use videos where some farmers can be taught through a video, watching a video, and maybe some will not be taught using a video. Maybe we may have to depend on the usual ways in which you reach farmers, the way you teach farmers. And then all we want to try to do is just to see how much can we use videos, how possible is it to try these other approaches for reaching farmers.
After do the screening, we may also have some evaluation of how the video effectiveness of the video. And then we hope we can target the original farmers in the baseline survey because it can give us a consistent data.
If we say we want maybe follow up maybe on, let's say, 20 farmers, it would be good if we can pick from, like in Lumina we had 60 farmers, right? Then if we say we want to target 20, we should be able to pick from that sample and then follow them.
You want to discuss after the video?
Yeah.
So you just you screen it, and then after the screening, you ask if they can do whatever is in the video. So you get the feedback from the farmers after the video.
After we do the training, we would want to assess, has their knowledge level changed? Okay, so if it's possible, maybe we can follow up on these people which we sample. Before the training, we give them maybe a small test, 1-page test. They don't have to write, we may ask them. And then see how they score. You do the training. At the end, we can also follow up on the very same farmers and administer the same test to see if there is an improvement on the areas which they failed. And then after some time, I think about a week, after a week, we want to come back and then assess how many have done what you taught them. Because I think we can have more impact if we do that. They said they are going to do A, B, C, D. You have taught them, are they able to do that? And have they done it?
Bwana twaediki alangiza boma azilangiza kumudzi abambo komaso amai moni ose zibo
yakalisho chokoti ya kweta bwera kuno ndoti nizotikazirane ndaendo atu ikhuba endo wa ena rwadziwe ana bwera aso adabwera wake lesi tuzomwe tipange titwe tizwaneko mwadziwa sogokhawa maina awo kupana ife manoti iwo kwambiri afaje sinafe ainzoja tifuse jandikira
awenda bwanji mwaphunzira kuchani mbuyomu nanga ngati kumbali memwe atingathe kusankha imwe atione kumbali ifana ngati maphunziro ndambirimbire kuli maphunziro azakudya maphunziro akalimidwe maphunziro antaya khasu
tsiku lija limene timakambirana kuti tidzakhala ndi zojambula kanema wazophika lafika.
The training sessions were very informative, and tasting all the food was great too. We started to get a good idea of what would be important for the farmers to know. We decided on 2 topics: conservation agriculture and nutrition. In one video, we would teach basic methods for mulching using leftover maize stalks and other organic waste. In the other, we would instruct both men and women the steps to creatively prepare their leftovers and some underutilized ingredients to make an easy-to-prepare, delicious, nutritious dish: nyama ya mkute and nyama ya chulue.
Oh, kama kwesa nyiro?
Kama kwesa nyiro kamenewo.
Sijake senu. Wapsa?
We made sure to add humor and a storyline to the videos to make them a bit more interesting. Then we went back to the villages to implement our research design. Some villages only viewing the video treatment, some only receiving the traditional training, and one receiving both. Before viewing, the people interviewed in the baseline survey had to complete a pre-test, and after they left they had to complete a post-test. A week later we surveyed again for adoption verification. We showed the videos and explained our research to some government officials, then began to clean the data and see what sort of conclusions we could make from it. There was quite a bit to work through. After 2 months, Tiana and I left Malawi, Hastings moved back to LUANAR, and the research continued from different parts of the globe.